Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening the Teams meeting invite and locating the dial-in phone number and conference ID. This is essential because the phone path bypasses app issues. Once done, save the number to contacts for quick redial and note the exact meeting time in your calendar so you join promptly. If the invite lists multiple numbers, choose the one matching your country to avoid extra charges. Make sure your phone battery is charged and speaker or headset is ready before dialing. You dial the meeting number and listen for prompts. This is where you authenticate. When prompted, enter the conference ID using your phone keypad. Do this deliberately because tones can be missed. Once connected, you may be asked to enter a participant ID or press pound to join as a guest. Choose guest unless you have a specific participant ID. If the meeting requires a leader to admit you, remain on the line and keep your phone unmuted until you hear confirmation of entry. Once in the meeting, manage audio with the keypad commands provided. Mute when not speaking to reduce background noise, and unmute when you need to talk. Use a headset or speakerphone for better clarity and position yourself in a quiet spot. These choices improve comprehension for everyone. If you have trouble joining, hang up and redial, re-enter the conference ID carefully, or try the alternative dial-in number listed in the invite. If still blocked, contact the organizer to confirm settings or to admit you manually.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.